is an exciting day because we're going to do the unboxing. The kit that we have is from Elecfreaks, and it is a Microbit Starter Kit. But just a side note, actually this is a huge side note, there actually is no Microbit in this kit. So if you get this kit, you need to also get a Microbit. But if you open up the kit, it's a nice little note. It has a starter guide. And then it has the components to it. Also, it has a really nice Microbit case. But again, this kit doesn't have the Microbit in it. So instead of this, I made something for my students. I made a kit for my students, and I had to buy the Microbit separately. Today we're going to start unboxing your kit. And so each kit has a number that's assigned to you because I need this kit back and I need everything in the kit back. So make sure that you keep everything in the kit unless you're working with it. And also I would suggest that you find a good place like a table to work on. Make sure you're careful with that so that we can get all of the stuff back. And also remember that you're responsible for all of the contents in the kit and that I do expect to get the kit back at the end of this unit. So let's start the unboxing. So in the kit itself that I made, you have an unboxing sheet. And in the unboxing sheet, it lists all of the different components that will be in the kit. So as you pull it out, I have separated the wires. I have long wires and medium size wires. And for the medium and long ones, there's about 15. In the kit, I also have short wires. There's about 40 of them in there. I have a piece of tin foil, and I have clip wires, also called alligator clips. There is a USB to connect your Microbit to your computer, and there is a breadboard that we will use later. Inside we have 10K resistors. We have a small plastic case that contains lots of small parts. So please be careful with these small parts and make sure you keep them inside your box. In here we have 5 green LEDs, 5 blue LEDs, 5 yellow LEDs, and 5 red LEDs. In addition to that, we have a mini speaker. Well, that's what that looks like. In this case right over here, we have a temperature sensor. We have one photo cell with a clear flat top. We have one transistor. We have 2 diodes. We have a self-lock switch, comes with 2 parts here. This little blue thing right here is called a trim pot. We have one RGB LED and it has a circular top. We have 2 push button switches, 1 fan, and 1 5-volt motor. Make sure that you have that in there and close it up good. Okay, in addition to that, we have one blue servo, and this has lots of extra little parts, so make sure you get all the parts back in each time you use it. We have one RGB rainbow LED ring, so you'll probably have to open that up, and this is what it looks like. We have one breadboard adapter. If we use this, you're gonna have to tear this stuff off right here. Just be gentle, but keep this in its case until we do use it. We have one battery holder that holds AA batteries, but it is so hard to get this open. And finally, we have one Microbit with the case. So this is the Microbit. It has a case, and we will connect this to the computer through the USB right there. This came with the Microbit that I bought, so that will be in your case as well. If you just have the Elecfreaks kit, this will not be in there. And also this will be in the student kit as well, But this did not come with the Elecfreaks kit because that was minus the Microbit, and we had to get the Microbit separately. All right, well, make sure that you guys keep everything in your box, so each time you're done with it, just put everything back in. Make sure you look around your area so that little parts didn't fall on the floor or somewhere. So make sure that when you guys start, you have a clean work area to work with. I think we're going to have a great time inventing with this. Have fun!